This video isn't financial advice, and Will is not your financial guru, so make sure to do your own due diligence. And now, let's begin.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Leaders Road. My name is Will, and today I'm going to introduce you to a platform. It's all about innovation and solving problems in the real world with the help of blockchain technology. More than 7 years online, but I just found it. I'm really impressed with all that they are doing, and for that reason, I have decided to join. In my opinion, this is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity that I certainly want to take advantage of. If you are in the search of opportunities with huge potential, then I'm sure you're going to like this one too. This is more than just a platform. It's actually an ecosystem that is going to help the world. I know that's a big claim, but if you stay until the end of this video, you will see that for yourself. It's all about software in the blockchain. We are going to purchase a piece of that software that is going to run inside these decentralized ecosystems. And in return for running this computing task, we are going to be rewarded with tokens. Before we continue, I want to invite you to like, subscribe, and share. I will really appreciate your support. And if at any point during this video you would like to get in touch with me, you can find me on my open Telegram group. The link is in the description of this video. So, it goes by the name of connectunited. More than 7 years online, building an ecosystem that is helping to gather all these type of different opportunities in one place. As usual, I'll try to explain everything in simple terms. I don't want you to get confused because this is an amazing opportunity, but there is a lot of information. Do you remember when we were resisting the idea of online banking? Back in those days, we thought we don't gonna have much security. It might be a scam. We could lose our money, but nowadays, we wouldn't even think of trying to do banking without it. That was real innovation that changed the world for us, right? connectunited is doing something very similar. They are hosting these new software innovations for the average person who wants to get involved into blockchain. So we are going to purchase and run software that is helping to improve different industries such as health, financial breaches, internet security, regulated mining, so we can help to prevent illegal labor. There are also softwares for education. One of the iconic projects inside this opportunity is the one related to agriculture and farming industry. They are trying to make sure all the food that we eat is safe. So a lot of opportunities where we can participate, but in order to run all of this software that can monitor all of these activities, that requires tons of power processing. It requires a huge network, millions and millions in capital to have full coverage all over the world. That's impossible to be covered by only one company. Here is where we can actively participate just by running this software, by providing computer powering, all connected together by the same software all over the world. This is how we're going to build this blockchain. Now, instead of calling it software, we are going to call it nodes. Only one node will require a certain amount of computer power. If you have more nodes, then your rewards are going to increase as well. They are very strict about what I can and I cannot say. Here, I'm not allowed to talk about estimated numbers. It's just part of the policies. What I can tell you is that this is a real blockchain. There are leaders showing their back office with their progress during all of this time. I'm just getting started, but my plan is to come back here regularly just to share with you my journey inside this exciting opportunity. So again, connectunited is giving us the ability to run and operate those nodes, and we can earn rewards for projects that are making a difference in the world. We can use our computers to run it, but you need to be online 24/7. You can do that if you want, but there is an option using a private virtual server. It will cost us only $4 or $5 a month without having to use our computers. I will show you all of that later. First, let me take you inside the back office. When you click here where it says projects we love, you will find a list of the nodes that are actually running on the upcoming opportunities. Galvan is one of those that I found very interesting. This is an app designed for health purposes. Well, not only an app, but they are looking for solutions to the most popular problems attacking our health. We can help them to put the word out there. Let me play this video just a small part, but it can give you a better idea of all that is happening here.
Eyes blockchain. With this backbone in place, Dr. Sharp founded Galvan, a company that would create products that would run on the Eyes blockchain. The first product was the Galvan Plus app, a smartphone app that connects to your wearable device to track both your physical activity and the state of your mental health using AI voice recognition. The Galvan Plus app incentivizes daily physical exercise programs and weekly mental health check-ins and rewards users for meeting their personal health and wellness goals. Just adding these two habits will have a dramatic effect on people's overall health, impacting their mind, body, and soul. But the Galvan Plus app is just the first step. Galvan aims to transform the global healthcare system using the Eyes blockchain, creating transparency that will lead to better health worldwide. Galvan's future may also include community-led initiatives to improve quality of care, reduce the cost of medical procedures, and ensure people get the best medications. Perhaps Galvan's most ambitious goal is to give individuals ownership of their medical records with unrestricted access and control of all their health documents. The Eyes blockchain is already solving real-world health and wellness problems, but this community needs your help. These are enormous issues, and it's going to take an enormous network to keep up. So, if you can see the vision, if you can feel the passion, if you want to become a part of the solution, then connect your computer to the Eyes blockchain and join the mission. Purchase your Eyes Node software. Set up your computer as a link in the Eyes blockchain and begin receiving digital rewards for your participation every single day. Help build a network that will build a healthier future and begin earning digital rewards from the Eyes blockchain today.
So Galvan is one of those opportunities. Element is another very interesting project where we can help to track mining. One of the purpose of this software is trying to make sure they are not hiring miners, make sure they only hire qualified people to do mining. Switch is a crypto debit card, kind of an off-ramping service. With this debit card, we can spend tokens like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Gala, without the need to sell it in an exchange platform. We can use our tokens directly to purchase in any store. Now let's talk about the cost. We come right here where it says buy nodes. Here you can see the prices of each one of the nodes. Some of those started at a very low price, but through the years the value has been going up. Only the Switch node is gonna cost over $8,000. But wait, don't worry, you can get started with a very low price entry, and slowly you can build up your position inside connectunited. They have this node called Win. It's a smart node attached to the reward system. Each one of those Win nodes is going to run for 1 year. The cost of this node is $2,000, but I will show you a promotion where you can get it for only $500. We have a few options right here to purchase those nodes. We can do it by using USDT, USDC. We can also reinvest our Win tokens, or you have the option to use a credit card. Let's say I'm going to purchase one Win node, but if I click right here in the apply promotion, you can get a 1,500 off. To apply that promotion, we just need to click right here. You can see there, discount of 1,500, total to pay is only 500. And if you want to spend the full 2,000, now instead of one node, you can get 4. Just select here 4 and apply the discount. Go to checkout, follow the steps. When you start your checkout, you will get a timer right here. You need to read and agree to the terms and policies. Right here, you're going to have the option to create your wallet. You can do that before you start the process. But if you are already doing the checkout, they will tell you right here you haven't created your wallet. If you don't have one, follow the steps. It's exactly the same like creating any other wallet. They are going to give you some private keys. Make sure you write it in a safe place. After you reach the confirmation, you will pay for your node, but still you have one more step to do. you need to activate it. If you don't activate it, then the node is not going to run. It's not going to produce anything. What you need to do is click in that button. That is going to take you to the node setup. This is where you can actually download the software and install it in your computer according to your system. You have the instructions. But if you want to use the private server, all you need to do is click in this box, host your nodes effortlessly. That is going to take you directly to this page. You just need to create an account. Each node is going to cost you $4.95 USD. That is going to cover 1 year per node. I think that's the easiest way to do it. Just follow the steps and you will see a message like this where it says engine on. That means your node is connected and already running. You can verify that by going back to the site, clicking my connect, my nodes. You can see I have one there. By the way, right here they have an academy. You can learn more about the system. And if you complete the full course, you can collect some win tokens and you can use those tokens to purchase another node. If you want to share this opportunity, you can come to this tab. There are also a bunch of different videos, all of those attached to your referral link. You can also watch those videos to understand more about these companies. I'm so excited about this new opportunity. I have the chance to watch different videos where some of the members are showing the evolution of their accounts. It's just impressive all that I saw there, and I wish I found this a couple of years ago. Anyways, we are here, we are starting this journey. Super excited to start to build my positions and also somehow help to contribute in the world with these advanced technologies. Well guys, there is a lot of information that I wish I could show you, but I'm not allowed to do that. Maybe if you are interested about Connect United, you can find me on Telegram. We can discuss about this opportunity. You will see me again with some other updates about my progress. If you want to see how that goes, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to get notifications from this channel. Thank you so much for staying here until the end, and I hope to see you in the next one. My name is Will, the crypto leader from Leaders Road. Have a wonderful day.